Welcome to Maple Leaf Numismatics. Today, we're examining a remarkable piece of Canadian coinage, the 1921 Canada 5-cent coin. Often regarded as the prince of Canadian coins, this coin represents a pivotal moment in numismatic history. Join us as we uncover the story behind this rare and coveted piece. To understand the significance of the 1921 5-cent coin, we need to look at the economic and historical context of its time. The Royal Canadian Mint began exploring alternative metals for the 5-cent coin in 1916. This decision was driven by increasing costs and the need for a more durable and economically viable option. In 1914, the price of silver was 56 cents per ounce, and it cost approximately 2 cents to produce a 5-cent coin. By 1919, however, the price of silver had risen to $1.12 per ounce, pushing the cost to produce a 5-cent coin up to 4 cents. This sharp increase created a significant financial strain. By 1919, the Minister of Finance reported that continuing with sterling silver coinage would result in a loss of 4.7 cents per ounce of silver. This financial burden, coupled with the high production costs, led to the decision to seek alternatives. In 1921, legislation was passed to replace the silver 5-cent coin with a larger, 100% nickel coin. This transition was not just about cost savings, but also about utilizing a resource that Canada had in abundance. During World War I, Canada had become the world's largest producer of nickel, accounting for over 90% of global production, with 95% being exported. The Royal Canadian Mint melted down more than 3 million silver 5-cent coins in 1921, primarily those dated from that year. As a result, only around 400 silver 5-cent coins from 1921 are believed to have survived. However, some experts believe that figure may be between 800 and 1,000 surviving coins. In circulated condition, the 1921 5 cents can command a price of $4,000 to $15,000. An uncirculated example, graded MS-65, can reach approximately $65,000. The 1921 Canada 5-cent coin stands as a testament to a transformative period in Canadian numismatic history. Thank you for joining us at Maple Leaf Numismatics on this exploration of the 1921 Canada 5-cent coin.